Hi there, I'm Aimee and I'll guide you on how to make your first size chart using Kiwi Size Chart and Recommender. This app ensures your customer find the perfect fit, making their shopping experience more efficient while reducing returns and increasing customer satisfaction. Let's dive right in. Once the Kiwi app has been installed, you can open it through the Shopify admin by going to the app section and clicking on the Kiwi Size Chart app. When you open the app for the first time, you'll see a welcome pop-up. Go ahead and click Get Started now. Since it's your first time, we'll need to set up some style settings. Here you can add your brand colors, logo, and other preferences. Don't worry about setting this up perfectly since you can always adjust it later in the Styles and Settings page. And once you're done, click Finish. Now you're on the Kiwi dashboard. Now before creating your first size chart, let's make sure it will display on your store. On the dashboard, find the Enable Extension button and click it. This will open the Shopify theme editor. Now the Kiwi extension will be automatically added to your product page. Click Save at the top right corner of the editor. Then let's head back to the Kiwi app and click the Add New Size Chart button in the top right corner of the dashboard. If you're working with common product designs like a top, blazer, jacket, or a dress, just click on one of these templates. But if you already have a size chart, use the Import Size Table option to upload it from a Shopify product description, CSV, image, or a web page. Now, if you want to start fresh, and that's what we're doing here, choose the Build a Size Chart from Scratch option. Now we're here to customize the layout of your size chart. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the Layout Editor where we can add or remove blocks to build a size chart. The Settings drawer on the right is where we'll edit the size table. Let's start by naming this size chart. This name won't be visible to your customers and is just for your reference, so choose something that makes it easy to identify this chart later. Next, we'll customize the layout. Click Edit on any block to update its content. Then the drawer settings will show up on the right side. Use the Move option to rearrange blocks so the most important information is up top. Click Clone and it'll add a duplicate of this block at the bottom of the template. Now to add something new, click Add Layout Block at the bottom and you'll see different block types to choose from. Make sure to take your time here. The goal is to make the size chart match your brand while giving customers the product details that they need. Moving on, let's jump into the size table next. Hover over it in the preview and click Edit Table. This opens the settings drawer. You can choose to set up your size chart using either advanced mode or simple mode. Although the features are similar, advanced mode allows you to include a size range and measurements that will be automatically applied to the table below. In simple mode, you'll set them up directly in the table. For this example, we'll use the advanced mode. So here, set up the size range such as small, medium, and large. Any additional sizes you add will automatically apply to the table below. Then define the measurements such as chest, waist, and hip dimensions. In the unit settings, choose your preferred measurement system. The app will handle conversions between the two seamlessly. Adjust the table direction if needed. If you need extra rows or columns, you can add them below the table. Play around with the table unit settings and styles too so it matches your store's theme. When you're done, add a header or footer text for any extra details, then save your changes. Next, let's connect the size chart to the right products. Choose products matching any conditions to include products that meet at least one condition. Select products matching all conditions if you want only the products that match every condition. Add your conditions to the filter with these options, or just apply the chart to all the products if that works better. Once you've set everything up, click Save. Your size chart will now appear on the selected product pages. And here's how it will look like to your customers from your online store. Congratulations on creating your first Kiwi size chart. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.